Before starting the video, I'm sorry about my voice. I had a concert and a soccer tournament of my son, so I have no voice left. But let's start the video. Many people tend to think that you have to spend a lot of money to get a good watch. But this watch shows that that isn't the reality. The Seiko I have here cost me $200 on Amazon, and I believe that given what it offers, it's hard to beat that price. It is a field watch that takes inspiration from previous Seiko 5 models, and it's no secret that this watch looks almost exactly like the SRPJ83. Aesthetically, it's a stunning watch. The cream color on the dial has become one of my favorite colors because it's extremely versatile and can be paired with many strap options. It also brings a vibe reminiscent of the earlier Seiko 5, which was a watch I really liked. This version I have is small, measuring 36 millimeters, but let me tell you, it feels just right. It doesn't really feel as small as the vintage Seiko 5 watches did. The dial features a sandy texture in that spectacular color. The Seiko logo and the Seiko 5 logo are applied, and the markers and numbers are raised. In my opinion, this adds a lot of quality to the dial. The crystal, of course, as we are used to with Seiko, is mineral glass or hardlex. And the case has a satin or brushed finish all around, which of course is fitting for a field watch. It would be a contradiction to come polished. When we turn the watch around, we see that it has glass back, so we can enjoy the automatic movement, which in this case is a 4R36. And as I've always said, it's a super robust movement that you can trust to keep working literally until the end of days. The case has holes for easy strap swaps, which also complements the dial color since the cream color is a very versatile color. Now, I see some of you people writing that there are Chinese brands offering sapphire crystals, ceramic bezels, and stainless steel bracelets at a lower price. And sure, when you look just at materials, some brands might offer a few more things for a lower price. And believe me, I would have probably said the same thing a few years ago. But after getting some experience with watches that come from China, I realized that buying from these brands is a gamble. The watch might turn out great, or it could fail 2 days after you bought it. And good luck claiming the warranty, because the watches are so cheap and come from so far away that returning them costs more than the watch itself. As I said earlier, this is a field watch with a water resistance of 100 meters, which means you can practically swim with it and nothing will happen. Now, I would have liked it to have a screw-down crown for added security in that aspect, but I think it's more of a mental problem, because none of the Seiko 5 models come with a screwed-down crown. But knowing Seiko, I have no problem trusting that this watch can handle that 100 meters of water resistance or even more. For me, having a watch of this quality with this finishing and this robust construction that is characteristic of Seiko, and it even has a good lume that many field watches don't really have. Though I think a good lume has become a characteristic of Seiko. And getting all of this for $200, along with the trust that comes with a globally recognized name that is synonymous with quality on your watch's dial, is unmatched. Besides, you have a watch that looks spectacular, and I think it's perfect for a daily wear. But what do you think? What watch would you put up against this in terms of specifications? Let me know in the comments so we can make a comparison.